Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some simple style earphones from Yoyoso and sold from Ximivogue. Same ones as the Bluetooth, but this one goes over the ear. Now, if I learn how to get into here. Oh, there's the tabs. Go. Okay. And they have the little cute panda ears. Oh. Oh. Get. Well, look at that. They tell me to explore a new life. Well, we're going to see how good that is. Okay. Now, this is what they call tip ring sleeve. That means there's a microphone in this. And there, of course, there it is. Simple style appearance. Ensures comfortable wearing for Android MP3 audio devices with a 3.5mm. Avoid impairing your hearing. Do not attempt to disassemble by yourself. So I need an assistant. Well, this will be fun when I get that done. Okay, so these are the movers. So they just go smooth. There's no click, 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 click locking mechanism. And they're kind of small, so they should fit my head nicely. They fit nicely. They almost sound noise canceling. Oh, I'm gonna take off this tie. Now for a flat cable, this isn't too bad. Like it's rubber, so of course it'll probably fail at some point. Now we're gonna plug it into my phone. And we're gonna play a little bit of Weird Al, and here's my adapter. Goes into there. This adapter I got at Walmart for $11. Don't buy the Dollarama one, not fun. They don't sound too bad. I can't even hear myself talking. They don't sound too bad. So I'm going to compare these to my old Sony's MDR XB400s. And these are from 2015. This one only has tip ring sleeve. This one I noticed a little bit more instrumentation in the opening. Let's try that again. Okay, I can still hear the instrumentation, but they're more cushioned in my ear. I would say between the Ximivogues and the Sony MDR XB400s, this one's more muffled, but it's more even. But this one you hear more instrumentation, but it's kind of lower in the front. I'm not an audiophile person, but I can tell where I miss my music. And we're going to compare them to my good old Panasonics. I don't know what brand these are, but they're good enough that they still work even when it's like this half broken. So we're going to try them against these. I'm having a hard time here. So you can hear it through that. You can hear it through that. Okay, so if you don't like those ones because they're like just generic Panasonic earbuds, but I've been with Panasonic for 20 years, using their headphones, and I never had much of an issue. The best ones are the HT21s that go over the head, but they didn't sell those anymore, so now I got these ones, which is just as good. This one and this one, this one's more noise canceling and more cushiony, and even for my small head, that's actually pretty good. These ones, not much cushion compared to these. This one, you have more background. This one is more foreground and a little bit less background. I guess if you don't want to hear people, this is the one to go. If you can deal with a little bit of background, music being a little lower than these two, then you're good to go. But this is more of a professional quality, being Sony. These were only $2.99. So $2.99, $150, $8. For me, 1, 2, 3. And that's my review of the Ximivogue Panda Bear headphones for $2.99 at Yoyoso. Thank you so much. Have a good day.